Hi guys. 10 days ago I broke the kickstand of my radio, Tecsun PL-660, but fortunately I found on eBay replacement part, and I'm gonna try today to show you how to replace this part, actually to install. I don't like to own any radio that which lacks something like antenna or buttons or battery cover or bleeds kickstand or something else. It really bothers me. And okay, here is the kickstand, brand new kickstand or backstand, however you called it. Here is the brand new, and here is let me just zoom it, and here is the original one. As you can see, these two stands are the same, but the print is different. The new one has only English alphabet, and there is no Chinese characters on it. I have to mention that Tecsun PL-880 on its backstand has a little notch, or incision to easier take off or take on the backstand. It's very neat and very useful. Tecsun should do the same thing for the rest of models, PL-660 or 380 or any other radio that has a backstand like this one. But this is the original replacement piece to conventionally use your radio on the stand at rare on your device. The good thing is about this kickstand, it's very flexible. It's very flexible. I would say it is elastic. So if it's something elastic, it's 50% jobs done. Now I'm gonna show you how to replace this kickstand, actually to install the easiest way. Okay, here we go. So take the new backstand and place it on its place. And second thing is press this part with the thumb like so. Okay, use the old broken backstand as a tool, and now place it under the backstand like so, and now use your index finger to press the other side on the backstand. So at the same moment you have to carefully remove the tool, in this case the old backstand, and pressing the other side with the index finger. So let's do it. Press here. There we go. As you can see, new backstand is installed. It wasn't too hard. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe, leave a comment, like or dislike, and see you later. Bye bye.